Advocate Khushbu Jain, who's a cybersecurity expert with us on the broadcast. You see, Khushbu, help the viewers understand, India has over 500 million WhatsApp users. Without creating panic, because that's not the idea of this segment, how real is the threat for average smartphone user, and are we all equally at risk?
Threat is there. Let's not scare people, but threat is there. But at the same time, if you'll see, WhatsApp has given its own statement that it has got vulnerability patch and it is fighting in the court with Pegasus, the company in the US court. But if you talk about the threat, as rightly said by my earlier panelists, the moment you have a phone in your hands, see, when you say that the phone is yours and it's with you, and you take it 24/7 wherever you are, and you think it is mine, it is yours, and you share everything with it. You feed a lot of data knowingly or unknowingly. But one has to understand that that phone is connected with thousands and millions of things around, and it practically is. There is an element, see, cyber attacks are here. Either it is taking it willfully by taking your consent, number one, or there can be an element of data breach where those data are going in the wrong hands, or there can be a combination of things together where they are collating data not from one app, but 20 different apps of yours and collating it together and having an entire understanding of yours. So threat part is there, but not to scare on that specific aspect, whether should we stop using WhatsApp or not. But I think we need to be more vigilant on the aspect of what exactly are we sharing. Are we completely dumping our entire personal life? Are security utilizing these devices, including putting your WhatsApp, putting your passwords, sharing your absolute private images or absolute private information into it. I think anything that you don't want the public.
That's a credible point.
And,
Khushbu, you see, you spoke about vigilance. Let's go one step further. Let's talk about remedies and solutions as well. If someone accidentally clicks a malicious link, I'm going to come to you as well, Mr. Duggal, on that. But Khushbu, if someone accidentally clicks a malicious link, what should they do immediately? Is there still a chance to limit the damage if you've, let's say, in a careless attempt, pressed something that you really shouldn't have?
See, the first and foremost that you should do, if you have clicked somehow, go and check if there is some remote access being given somewhere. Check your systems, check all the applications on your devices. If possible, you can reboot your entire phone. But apart from all these things, best is to keep looking into it. If there is any application running in the remote, lot of applications you'll not see it on your phone. It's not visible. There's no logo or a thing which is visible on your screen. But they might be working remote or silently, and stealing your data or mirroring your phone, which can have everything. Whatever you do on your phone is mirrored in their places. So in all those in all those scenarios, be a little more vigilant on it. Try to reboot it. Try to change a lot of information into it. Do not change your passwords then and there. If you think you have clicked it and you open the same phone and you change your passwords, do not do that.
That's a good one.
Do it from some other. Do not do it from some other devices, because I have had so many people coming to me. I've changed my password again. I've been hacked. I'm like, because the phone is mirrored. You're practically giving him the passwords yourself. He doesn't have to wait for it. So there are combination of things that you can do, but at the same time. With whatever the Pegasus issue that we are seeing, they did not even had to send you a link. One missed call could have just sufficed for them to get an access to your phone. And what WhatsApp says is it has patched that vulnerability. For WhatsApp, it's a high stake. So I think we should wait and watch on the part that should we be so scared. But on the part of our own understanding and our own bit that we have to do while using the devices,